How to hide likes on Facebook. Welcome to another Facebook tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide likes on Facebook easily. If this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribing to my channel. The first thing we need to do is open up the Facebook app on our iPhone or Android phone. Select the menu button in the top right of the Facebook app, then scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Then again, select Settings. Then we need to scroll down just under Preferences, right? Here, select Reaction Preferences. And then under Reaction Preferences, we have two options that will help us completely hide likes on Facebook. So first, we can hide them on Post from others. So these are other people's posts that we see on Facebook. So I'll go ahead and turn that on. And then the second option is to hide likes on the posts that we make on Facebook. So I'll go ahead and select that as well. Once you've made the preferences changes that you want, you can go ahead and select the back button. So that's how you hide likes on Facebook. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. Get back to you as soon as I can. If this video helps you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.